I'm sharing another intermittent fasting what I eat in a day video today. Hi everyone, Jennifer here and welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. I do intermittent fasting, the 16-8 method, and today I have another what I eat in a day video for you. It's important to note a few things. I do not do a special diet. I do not combine this with keto or any other special diet. I am the author of the Madame Chic books, and chapter 1 and 2 of Lessons from Madame Chic are Snacking is So Not Chic and Deprive Yourself Not. So this 16-8 method of intermittent fasting really works well with the Madame Chic philosophy. No snacking after dinner. Those late night snacks were really getting to me. And also, I don't deprive myself during the day. I do have carbs and I do have sugar, as you will see during my tea time. I find that for me personally, this really works because deprivation diets have never worked for me. It just, long-term, not going to happen. I share these videos with you to let you know that I, a normal average person, am able to lose the weight that I wanted to lose and keep it off and also feel great on the 16-8 method without deprivation. Now, I do highly recommend that you speak to your doctor or a nutritionist or another healthcare professional before you embark on intermittent fasting, because what works for me might not necessarily work for you. Today's video starts out at breakfast time, so I will let you know that before that, I wake up at around 5 in the morning and I have 1/8 of a teaspoon of Celtic sea salt in some water, and this helps to replace any electrolytes I may have lost the night before. I will leave the Celtic sea salt that I buy from Amazon down below. In today's video, I went out for coffee, but I normally have my own coffee that I make at home between 6 and 7 in the morning. When I was in the weight loss mode of intermittent fasting, I would have that coffee black. But because I am now in maintenance mode and I'm not concerned with weight loss, I do add about a teaspoon of heavy cream to my coffee in the morning because it's one of my great joys in life. All right, no more talking from me. Let's jump into the video.
Okay, so it's about 9:30 in the morning and I'm probably gonna film all the meals outside so that it's quiet. I'm having one of my favorite things to eat, which is poached eggs on toast. So these are 2 poached eggs. My secret for the perfect poached eggs is to boil the water, put the egg in for 3 minutes exactly, and then take it out. And I'm having it over sourdough toast with that Kerrygold butter. So this is one of my favorite meals. Now I'm a little bit late for breakfast today because I took my dad out for coffee. So I'm having an iced coffee with that as well. And prior to this, I just had water and with some Celtic sea salt, and that's it. So we are completely out of fruit right now. I need to do a grocery order. So I'm not going to be having any fruit today, which is disappointing, but normally I'd have a little cup of berries or something like that with this breakfast. All right, I'll see you at lunch. Hi everyone, it's about 12:30 and I'm not really that hungry because the poached eggs on toast really filled me up. But I am going to have lunch right now because this is what I do. I pretty much eat heavy for at least breakfast or lunch, and then dinner's usually lighter. This is leftover steak from last night's dinner and some mixed vegetables and new potatoes. So I have 3 slices of steak here, but I'll probably only have 2. And this is what I'm going to have for lunch today. And of course, just water as usual. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon and it's my favorite time of day. It's tea time. And this is a quiet time that I just take for myself. And today I'm having Earl Grey tea. So I brought what I'm actually having to show you. This is the good stuff. It's the Bottom Earl Grey citrus black tea. It's a loose leaf tea, so I did a pot of it in case anyone else wants some or if I want more later. And then my treat today is Scottish shortbread. So this is made by my friend Laura. They have a family business called Allen's Scottish Shortbread. She's in the Elegant Connoisseur. So I have a lot of this shortbread. And so I know it's a bit on point, but I'm having the Earl Grey shortbread with my Earl Grey tea. And it honestly just could not be better. I am reading my friend Micah Meyer's book, Modern Etiquette Made Easy. So, because I'm interviewing her on the channel. So I've already read it once, but I love her book. So I'm going to do another pass on it. So this is an important ritual that I take. And lately I've been having my dessert basically at tea time. I'm finding that that's what my body wants. I just have a strong craving for sugar around this time, and I indulge that. I don't deny it. So this does have 1 sugar in it and some milk, and then the shortbread also has sugar in it as well. So this is my dessert. I probably won't have any dessert after dinner tonight. All right, I'm going to enjoy my cup of tea. Okay, so it is about 5 o'clock right now, and I am really not hungry after this very full day of eating. So I actually have my dinner on what is traditionally a salad plate because this portion would look ridiculous on a full dinner plate. So we're having chicken fajitas tonight. So it's chicken, and I have some rice here and some, you know, the peppers and everything, bell peppers. And I like to top everything with green onions. So that's what I've done here. Everybody else is going to have a tortilla with theirs, but I don't want a tortilla. So this is all I'm having tonight. This is a prime example of a week where we are now out of groceries. It's like the end of the week. So I basically have no fresh fruit and no fresh salad. So I would have liked to have a salad with this meal, but I didn't have one. But I felt I got enough vegetables in today. No fruit, and that was a bit of a disappointment, like I said, but otherwise, this is a nice full day. So I'm going to stop after dinner. I will only have water the rest of the night, and then I'll start again tomorrow at around 9:30. All right, that's it for my intermittent fasting, what I eat in a day.
There you go. I truly hope you enjoyed seeing my intermittent fasting, what I eat in a day video. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and I will know to do more. Thank you so much for joining me here on the Daily Connoisseur. Keep calm and remain classy, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.
Thank you.